Hey everybody, Jeff with Bright Ideas, man. Hope you're having a fantastic day wherever you may be in this world. Today I'm doing a video review on Agency Blitz. Agency Blitz is a software that you can use to help you start an agency business or a consulting business. Now in 2019, video marketing, social media marketing, marketing using apps, message bots are very popular. And a lot of the businesses around, local businesses, have no clue, zero, on how to actually capitalize on these advertising platforms and the ways to advertise. So they're looking for somebody to help them, and that's where you come in. When you buy Agency Blitz, it's a bundle. And the bundle has 4 kits in it, which I'm going to go over here in just a second. I'm going to tell you the highlights of each kit, what it contains. And actually, let's just start right now. So this is kit number 1, done for you video marketing agency kit. This is going to be everything you need to set up your own 6-figure video marketing consulting business. Video marketing is so effective nowadays. I mean, think about it. You've probably been on Facebook today. You were scrolling past tons of ads that were pictures, but you probably stopped and looked at a couple ones that were videos. Video marketing has high conversion rates. This is where I think you guys can really help other businesses by helping them with their video marketing. So this kit is going to include very nice ready-made agency website. So if you don't have the tech skill to make a website, this is going to already have one done. Now you don't have to use their ready-made website. If you know how to set it up yourself. It's going to have proposals that are in MS Word and PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a presentation. You can adjust it. You can edit these to be specific for your business, and then you send these out to the potential clients of yours, right? Saying how I can help your business make you more money, and this is already done for you. It's going to have highly optimized cold call email sequences. Email sequences are really nice. You're going to put them in your autoresponder. You're going to copy and paste. I always say you make them specific to you so that they're yours, kind of. And you would put this in your Aweber or your MailChimp, or a couple autoresponders that just come to mind right now. And then you would put the list through your email sequence and see what converts. It's also going to have telemarketing scripts. This is for people who want to do local business, right? You're going to call some people on the phone, and you're going to say what's on the script. The scripts are designed to help you have sales. They're designed for conversions. You're going to have commercial graphics, so you don't have to pay anybody to do your business cards or your letterhead or invoice or anything like that. You're going to already have that done for you. You're going to have 4 done for you Facebook ads. That's nice, because when I started Facebook ads, it wasn't very easy, and if I had some help, that would have been very nice. They're going to have done for you web banners and Google ads. That's pretty handy too. Google ads, you have to kind of tweak it and see what works. So this is already proven to work, and it'll help take the guess out of doing your Google ads. There's also a done for you legal contract. So when you do make that sale, you do get that new client, you're going to send over a contract so that you can start doing business. And there's several people that are charging a lot of money for this, $500 to $10,000 per client. Now naturally the $10,000 client per month is going to be a much bigger client than the little $500, but you can easily live off of this. $10,000 a month, geez, I hope you can. A couple clients, maybe if you even did like $5,000 a month. A couple clients, that's 10 grand a month. That's 120,000 extra a year that you're making on this income stream. I'm not even talking about all the income streams, because each kit that this comes with, and remember there's 4, each kit is like an income stream. So you have a done for you mobile app. This are for people who want to help set up apps for businesses. Maybe the business as a store and they want an app, or a restaurant. Well, you can help set up the app for them. Like the kit that we just looked at, it's going to have an agency website. It's going to have the proposals all done up already written for the mobile app business, right? The mobile app agency. So think of these each as a tool in your belt, but it's also a business, kind of like a business in a box. They're also going to have those email sequences. They're going to have all the scripts for you if you wanted to do cold calling. They're going to have all that. They're going to have the graphics done up, so you just have to plug in your information to your business card or your letterhead. They're going to have ads for you. They're going to have the web banners, or if you do Google ads or advertise on other networks, and all the legal contracts. And again, you can charge up to $500 or $10,000 per client. Now imagine you have just even 2 clients. You have one for the mobile app and one for the video marketing at $500 a month. That's an extra $1,000 a month. That's $12,000 extra in your pocket that will help you have an amazing 2019. So kit number 3 is the done-for-you messenger bot agency kit. I'm sure you guys have had that ding on your Facebook, and you go running over to your phone, and then you look at it, and it's an ad. And you're like, damn it, it's an ad. But hey, the message bot ads work. That's the reason why they're using them so much. So many people are on Facebook now, and so many people are connected, always staring at their phone, and this is a good way to market. There's a lot of companies that could benefit from this, but they don't even know how to start. That's where you come in with this kit. You're going to get the same things. You're going to get a bot agency website. You're going to have all the MS Word doc and the PowerPoint stuff to make proposals for the messenger bot business. You're going to have the email sequences, the telemarketing scripts. You're going to have all the graphics, Facebook ads, web banners. You're going to have all the legal contracts. And again, people are getting paid $500 to $10,000 per client. So this is a very good way to start making a lot of money in 2019. The 4th one is the done-for-you social media marketing agency kit. This is going to help you market yourself as a social media agency. And how many people, I mean, Instagram, Facebook, everybody's on social media nowadays, and not everybody's utilizing it to the full potential for their business. A lot of people are just on their personal stuff, and they don't even know what to do. Actually, I was just talking to a friend, helping her set up her Facebook business page, and she was lost. She didn't know what to do. And it wasn't very hard, but she didn't know what to do. This is where you're going to come in and be an agency and help other people make money. All this has the same exact thing. You're going to get the banners, the ads, the legal contracts. Now, what do each of these kits come with this ready-made Facebook ad agency website? These websites are professionally designed by web designers. You don't need to have all the technical skills to be able to make this. They've already paid the people to do it. Now, if you do have that, that's great. You can make it the way you want. But why not use the already pre-made one? You also have the done-for-you proposals. They've taken all the effort to make very nice, high-converting proposals where they look very professional. So all you have to do is just put in your information and send. So nice. They also have all of the commercial graphics. They're going to have the invoices. They're going to have the brochures and the trifold, everything that you need, the business cards, the letterhead, everything you need to be a business and send out official documents from your business. They have print-ready commercial graphics. So it's ready to go. All you need to do is just put in your personal information, not your personal information, but the information about the business in there, and it's ready to go. It has done for you highly optimized cold call emailing sequences. This is what, if you remember, of saying that you'll copy and paste and put into your autoresponder like Aweber or MailChimp. Now, what I suggest with your emails, and you get these swipes, is to copy and paste them and then tweak them a little bit to make them your own. Right? These are just kind of like a good outline. Now you can just use it if you're like, you know, Jeff, I don't even know how to even start. Okay, we'll copy and paste it. That's fine. But as you're going, you're going to want to add a few different things and change it, kind of give it your own voice. The voice that when the person on the phone talks to you, it sounds kind of like you talking, right? Make it your own. And it's nearly already done, so it's not going to be very hard to make some tweaks to it. And you're going to have some telemarketing scripts. Now, the telemarketing scripts, I think, is pretty cool because of the fact that scripts help keep you on target. It helps you make the sale. And you want to get to that yes, right? Stay on script. Especially if you don't know what to say. Just read the scripts when you're calling. The script is designed to get the yes. I was a concierge for a luxury villa company and worked with like 16 different luxury villas, and I used to have a script that I would use at every check-in, and that way I didn't miss an important feature of a house or of a rule or something like that, so I could easily just rattle off my script, and it worked very well. So I'm a big fan of scripts. They also have the done-for-you Facebook ads. This is really nice, guys, because if you're just getting started out and you don't know Facebook ads, you can lose a lot of money using Facebook ads. I know I could have had some help when I first started out doing online business with my Facebook ads. That would have been fantastic to have 4 done-for-me ads, because I learned the hard way, in an expensive way, by spending my advertising budget on ads, and it didn't really work well. But you don't have to worry about it, because these guys are doing all the hard work for you with Facebook. They've tested this. It's shown to convert. So you just copy and paste and send out your ads. Then you have the contracts and the legal documents. This is really nice because if you're a business, you have to have your contracts, right? And all you're going to do is you're just going to go in and plug in your name, plug in your company, plug in the client's name, plug in the date, the specifics to whatever, if you're doing the Messenger Bot agency or the video marketing agency, which I think that one's the most powerful probably of all of them, because of the fact that so many conversions, that the video marketing is really just a powerful tool. And that is my review for the Agency Blitz. If you guys like the video, please click like. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you get notifications whenever I post a new video or upload it. Please click the link that I put in the description for the product if you're interested in purchasing the product, or if you have any questions, click the link and we can help you. If you have a question, you can always comment, and I return or reply to all comments within 24 hours if I can. I travel a lot, so sometimes traveling can't reply, but I do my best. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Ciao.